Hello everybody. So today I'm actually going on another road trip and I'm heading down to Portland to pick up a Yamaha XS650 and gonna try to document a bit of the ride there and back, and it's a new project. It's a nice bike. And so that's my game plan for today. Enjoy the show. So, Bob, tell me about your bike, Bob.
Oh man, it's your bike. You're gonna love it.
Ladies and gentlemen, what we have here is a 1979 Yamaha XS650 Special with the renowned Hosk designed bulletproof motor. And my friend Bob here, he's gonna demonstrate just how easy these bikes are to start. And that is dead cold. The bike was dead cold, started in 3 kicks. You can't beat that. Okay, so I did make it back. However, I had a bit of a mishap on the way down there, and the trailer hitch on the back of my car came off as I was going down I-5, and that was pretty hectic. I managed to get the vehicle to the side of the road safely, and I was using a U-Haul rental trailer, so I called U-Haul roadside assistance, and unfortunately they were of no assistance whatsoever. However, I must shout out kudo, gratitude in the mega form to both the Washington State Patrol and the Washington Department of Transportation. Both of those agencies were of great assistance to me and got me back on the road, and I completed my trip with no further incidents. So I cannot express the gratitude to those two agencies enough. So all of those people out there that want to speak negatively of government agencies and the police, well, in this particular instance, it was nothing but positive. So massive hats off, shout out, kudos, gratitude to the Washington State Patrol and the Washington DOT, the roadside assistance people. Great service that they have here in the state of Washington. Now, that being set aside for the moment, this is my latest project. It's I had mentioned before that it's a 1979. As it turns out, it's actually a 78 XS650 Special. And I will be doing a refurbishment, rebuild, upgrade, all kinds of different things to this bike in the days and weeks ahead. And so, without further ado, I've had a pretty long day, and that's my video for today. See ya.